Okay, did y'all want a treat? Penny, sit. Penny, can you sit? That a good. That a peanut butter. Uh-oh, Mama got. That a good? Okay, ready? A little bit more. Oh, no, ma'am. That's Ruby's pig. All right. Everybody relax, okay? Okay, everybody sit. Can I put my hand away from y'all? You look at Mama? You sighing?
What a pitiful.
What a pitiful dog, Mama. They don't get any treats. Nope. We're gonna be mamas for a little bit. Okay, come back over here. Come on, Penny. Come on. Baby, turn off that camera.